tough.
Really tough.
Training
It's
with
up here.
teammates, mental, it's really tough. But the teammates really help. Ang sarap mag-training pagkasama yung teammate,
Yes.
pag may kasama kang coach. And sometimes yung suffering, mas masarap. Kasi may kasama ka eh.
Damay-damay
Suffering
kayo.
together, damay-damay lahat.
Yes, iba talaga, iba. And I miss those days kapag I get to train with the teammates. So sometimes I make time to, just show up for mga dati kong teammates. Ensayo lang. Just for the sake of it.
Takbo-takbo lang.
Takbo-takbo lang.
After this, parang gusto ko tumakbo din eh. I'm gonna try. See. Pero grabe yun. That is crazy. Very amazing to go through something like, because triathlon is different, man.
Yeah.
It's not volleyball, basketball, rugby. It's a different level of fitness, and it's, remember, it's hours.